Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to see two very important tools you can use to grow your YouTube channel. The first one we're going to use is Social Blade. So on Google, just type Social Blade and click on the first result that you see. So this is the Social Blade website. This is the dashboard. You can see the key in your region. You see the key YouTubers and other social media influencers. So here we're going to type in our own YouTube name. So as you can see, this is our YouTube name. You can see our subscribers, the views, the videos, and when it was created. You can see the ranking. This is the social blade rank and subscribers rank and other ranks. You can see subscribers daily, the subscribers in the last 30 days, the views in the last 30 days, estimated earnings and monthly earnings and yearly earnings. So you can see and the average of the daily channel metrics the last 14 days. If you want to increase it here, it only allows 14 days. If you want to go beyond 40 days, for 14 days, you have to subscribe to their premium version. So you see the daily average, weekly average, the last 30 days, last 14 days. So you can see it has charts, graph and charts for monthly subscribers gain and monthly gains views for your channel. You can see future projections on how your channel is expected to reach a particular threshold over a particular period of time. You can see live subscribers count here, and you can see the achievement. You can see achievement here. You can see achievement. It has threshold for subscribers, for views, for upload videos and stuff like that. So the next tool we are going to use is that tool you can use is Playboard. You can see it's most started channel in the world. So you open it. As you can see, it has several unique features. You can search channels by topic and categories. You can search with different dimensions, most popular, most subscribed, most started. You can use different countries, Nigeria, Japan, South Korea, all over the world, and then all time. You can see the most charted channels. You see Pastor Jerry is here, some other Indian channels, and you can see the revenue count has been generated. Also, you can also see joining live, some other features. You have to sign in and stuff like that. So actually it has a spot feature here. So this is another unique YouTube feature you can use to that's channel, that's live. You can use for your channels. So you can see most watched live in the peak. You can see videos. This one is in this part of the world and short form. You can see artists. Just like that. We can switch and head over to India. You can see the Indian version, the channel views on artists. You can see under the promotion feature, you can see this. Just switch over to India again. I see videos under India. You can see it here and live for India. You can equally go and check channels for India too. Let's check the categories for the United States. So you can actually check different countries, and if you have a channel in mind that you want to just see how it is, you can see insights for charts. You can see insights here, so that these are your charts, these are insights, these are charts. Any channel you have in mind, you can search it here. Or there's a threshold for each channel, you must have reached particular threshold before you can use it. Playboard is a unique YouTube ranking tool you can use for your channel. You can see the dates here. You can go back in time for dates, and it has an export feature here, although you have to be get a plan and download, so you can download sample here. So that's it. VidIQ, you can type it on your Google search, VidIQ here. You click on it. When you learn VidIQ on your channel, on your YouTube studio, you will see this icon here, is the VidIQ icon. It gives you a breakdown of your achievement, each milestone of your channel, and gives you a breakdown, a chart breakdown of your hours watched, views for shorts and for videos, minutes watched and stuff like that. Then if you scroll down to the left hand side of your channel, you can see daily ideas, keyword inspector, and competitors and trend. So let's click channel audit, and you can see the matrix he just brought up on the channel edit. You can see it here, and the views per hours for videos to uploaded, and subscribers gained for most of the videos uploaded. You can see it here. You can equally see the total watch time per minute, average watch time, and total retention, the and this thing, stuff like that, and then other top suggested videos that are suggesting your videos, they are here. Then equally you can see top search terms that are drawing viewers to the channel. You can see it end screen click rate, videos, subscribe, and best of viewers. You can see it here. Then you can see content that could use some work. To give you suggestions on content that you have to improve on. Then you can see other metrics over the last 30 days, title length, description length, tags length, playlist. It gives you a score for them. Actionable CEO score. Then items that needs to be improved upon, you will see it here. So the schedule, post schedule, videos not added to playlist. So you can see videos without end screen, you can see it here. Then when you click here, it will give you a bit of your achievement, how your channel is going, and then possible likely to go, the subscribers rate, when it was achieved, the viewers, the uploads, and the projections for how far it's going, then the likes, the hours watched, the comments, and the projection for others. There's the top performing months, subscribers, top performing months of viewers, the view, the uploads, and the likes, the hours watched, the highest month for the highest watched, and then the comments. And here you see the videos with the highest views and the projections as far as going. Then here you can there's a column for daily ideas. Then let's head over to the VidIQ dashboard. You have to have an account. You have to log into your account on the dashboard on VidIQ to be. So you can see an ideas, you can find trending keywords, get video ideas, find trending videos, generate video content. This is a new feature. The latest video that has just been uploaded. This is scheduled. This has not been published. So these are daily ideas, and you can see the views in the last couple of days, subscribers gained, the watch time, and retention, projections for subscribers. You can find it here, and you can see top keywords opportunities that you can work on for video content. So just like that. So over here you can see key tools, keywords, competitors, subscribers, generate ideas. Yeah, let's just see how this find keywords how it works. So you can see here you can type search for keywords. So these are the keywords for this particular channel that link people over to the videos on the channel. So this is it. So we head back to home. So those are two. These are you can get video ideas here, find trending videos, stuff like that. So those are ways you can use two kick tools, popular tools you can use to work on your channel. Remember to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you for watching.